Do you want to get better at playing the ukulele? Well, whether you're just getting started or you've been playing for years, you know that there's always room for some improvement. My beginner's class will take you from having no musical experience through concepts such as notes, the musical alphabet, tuning the instrument, playing melodies, playing scales, understanding and playing major and minor chords, reading tab and understanding it, reading rhythm and understanding it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Finger picking. All the way through to playing some beautiful songs. That's what we'll be doing in the beginner class. The intermediate class will pick up where the beginner's class left off. We'll start with things like fretboard knowledge, so knowing the notes of all the frets, barring chords and scales so that they can be moved up the neck. More complex chords. And more complex rhythms. Time signatures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keys. What they are and how to play them. Chord progression theory. The 1 chord, the 4 chord, and the 5 chord. Songwriting. Everything to do with it. Ear training. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. So you can hear things like the ingredients that make up a melody. This was some of what we'll be covering in the intermediate class. The advanced class will take on everything else, including examining past masters, things like advanced right-hand techniques, the most complex kinds of chords and harmony. The CAGFD system. Improvisation. Analyzing famous chord progressions, jazz concepts. Harmonics. Slide. Advanced interval training. 1 flat 2, 1 flat 3. To mention but a few of the concepts that we could look at that would take your relationship to music and your understanding of music to a place that you didn't imagine was even possible. I believe in you. You can do this if you want to. And if you want to see a detailed breakdown of the kinds of things we'll be tackling in the class, click the link in the description. The term runs for 8 weeks, the classes are 1 hour long, and the term costs €120 in total. The beginner's class starts this week, Wednesday, April the 13th. It will be on at 8 p.m. Irish time. The intermediate class will be starting this week, Wednesday the 13th, at 7 o'clock, 7 p.m. Irish time. The advanced class will be starting this week as well, Thursday the 14th at 8 p.m. Irish time. Message me here if you have any questions whatsoever.